Hey there, marketers. Today let's talk about a small but mighty part of your emails, the pre-header. You know that little snippet of text that shows up right after your subject line? It's often overlooked, but it's a game changer for your email campaigns. Here are 5 reasons why you should pay attention to your pre-header. First up, the pre-header increases open rates. It's like a teaser for your email. A compelling pre-header can expand on your subject line and hook your audience, making them eager to open your email. Make sure you know where to configure this based on your email platform. Next, it provides context. Your pre-header gives recipients a sneak peek of your email's content. This helps set expectations and can build interest or clear up any confusion from a vague subject line. Third, it strengthens your branding and voice. Think of the pre-header as an extra opportunity to reinforce your brand's tone and message. A well-crafted pre-header supports consistent and recognizable communication. Fourth, it improves the mobile experience. On mobile devices, the pre-header often appears more prominently and can be longer than on desktop. Optimizing this can boost engagement among mobile users. Finally, it reduces spam perception. A relevant, well-written pre-header signals legitimacy and value. This can help reduce the chances of your email being flagged as spam or ignored. Now, how do you check your pre-header before hitting send? Use an email preview tool like Litmus, Email on Acid, or your ESP's built-in preview feature. These tools let you see how your subject line and pre-header appear across different inboxes and devices. And don't forget to send a test email to yourself and colleagues. Test it out on various email clients and devices. This helps catch any truncation or formatting issues, so there you have it. Take your email game to the next level by mastering the pre-header. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.